A company with 4,000 shares of a nominal value 110 each declares an annual dividend of 15%. Calculate the total amount of dividend paid by the company. This is the other way around. It's not asking how much this person who has a share has got it. It's say the company is giving out the dividend for how many shares? It has got 4,000 shares. So at the rate of 15%. So we can say the company is giving a 15% dividend. So he's giving dividend is how much? 15% on what? The nominal value, which is 110 rupees. Fine. So this is for one share, right? So how much is that? 15% of 110 for one share we are finding. Is it clear? So if you cancel it and you calculate that, how much you get? So let's calculate that. So when we calculate that, what do we get? So dividend is 3 into 11, 33 by 2 rupees for one share. Okay, how many shares he is giving the dividend for? 4,000 shares. So we can say dividend on, this is the dividend, right, on 4,000 shares is equal to how much? 33 upon 2 into 4,000. It will become 2,000, right? 33 into 2 is how much? So we can write it here as 66 and 1,000 here. So what is the total dividend he is paying? He's paying 66,000, right, as a total dividend. And this is the answer for the first question. I can write this is the answer for the first question. The next part is that this is the first one that we have done here. Next part of the question says here, right, the next part of the question says here, that is the annual income of Shahrukh, who holds 88 shares. This is another guy. He is not the company. He is a person who holds a share. Who is that guy? Shahrukh. He has got how many shares? 88 shares. So he has got 88 shares. So what is the annual income for him? So I can say dividend for whom? For Shahrukh. Shahrukh, right, is how much? That is equal to 88 into the value of one share is how much? What is the dividend of one share? We got here, that was 33 upon 2. So into 33 upon 2. So this will give you how much? 44. This is for one share. Dividend on one share. This is for one share, right? So if we calculate that, how much do we get? We get 1,450 rupees for Shahrukh. This is for his annual income. This is his annual income. For Shahrukh. Now the next question is, if he receives 10% on his investment, find the price Shahrukh paid for each share. This amount that he has received, okay, forget about that. So let's say the third, this is the second question that we did. Now the third question, okay, third question says what? If he receives 10% on his investment. So see, he had not bought the shares at the rate of 110 rupees each. He had bought those shares at the rate of, see, what was the rate? The rate was 100. He must have got it for some higher rate, right? This is why his earning, this percentage earning is 10%. He must not have bought it for 110 rupees. This is why his earning is 10%, but the dividend he's getting 15%. Got my point? So remember, if the earning is less, it means he must have bought it at a higher price. Simple. So we have to calculate here What is it? We do not know what the price that he bought it for. So in that case we can say, so let the price which he had bought for be X. So let price, okay, price that Shahrukh bought each share be X rupees. How much? Rupees X. Then his investment is what? He receives 10% of the investment. So his earning is, his profit is how much? Profit is always on the earning. So profit is, in fact, profit percent is 10%. Fine. Profit percent is 10% here. So we can say the profit will be how much? Profit in rupees will be equal to 10% of X, right? And at the same time, the amount that he has earned is equal to what? The amount that he would earn, he has earned would, see, whatever he has earned is the dividend that he has received per share. So we can say his earning, his profit on his investment, is equal to dividend. Is a profit that he has earned. So we just got, that is 10% of X. And what is the dividend that he got? Dividend was 15% of the nominal value, right? And this is the market value. We can make it more specific here. We can write this is the market value, right? This is the this is into market value. Is it clear? We have taken as an X there in that case. You can take it as a formula. Fine. So this is what? 10% of X is 15% of nominal value was how much? The nominal value of was how much? Just give me 1 second. 110 rupees. So it will be 110 rupees. So this will go here. So X upon 10 is equal to, this will also go here, 15 by 10, and if we X is equal to 15 by 10 into 10 will get cancelled. So X is 15. I think we made some mistake, I believe. Just 1 second. Yes, we have made some mistakes here in it. Okay, the mistake is that I forgot to write that 11 in it. Okay, so I'll just calculate that there in it. Fine. So it would be how much? Into 11 here, right? So X is equal to 15 upon 10 into 11 into 10 here. So this got cancelled. 15 into 11 is how much? 165. Simple. So he has bought each share which was being sold at 110 at the rate of 165. So what is the market value? See, the nominal price is 110 rupees and the market value for that is for Shahrukh is 165. So he has bought that for how much? 165 rupees, and this is the answer, that is okay for the second question. All right.